Now that we have a general picture of our final destination, let's figure out how to get there. The transparent gradient at the bottom of the dish view is almost entirely CSS, which is pretty cool. This CSS generates an image which is then overlaid with transparency. I also chose an italic font for this case, which might be more appropriate for the dish description. The toolbar also uses the gradient tint. It derives from container to get the zero padding and margin. The map address is similar to the dish overview description with a bit of padding. The text of the map address is a separate component, unlike the dish overview, which means these UI IDs are effectively different. I set the background of the side menu to be white. Besides fitting with the general design and separating it from the form color, this has another important use. One of the important things to notice about the side command is that margin is 0 except for the bottom, where we have a 1 pixel margin. If you will look at the entries, you will see a 1 pixel white line between the command entries. That's the white color of the side navigation panel coming through between the entries. It's not a separation line, it's literally the background. Side commands are styled differently in the native themes, so we need to override a lot of behaviors such as text decoration, which is set to 3D text in iOS. 3D text draws a subtle shadow under every letter. Normally there is a status bar component on top of the side menu in iOS, so the clock or battery indicators don't draw on top of the side menu. Since we have an image here, this isn't a problem, and we can set its size to 0. I thought about using the exact same UI ID as I used for the shopping cart button, but that button has a bit of a margin to push it away from the side of the form. I probably should have used inheritance here, but I didn't.